Hello, my name is Kate, and this is Castle Tillage, your home defense network. A lot of people have asked me why this channel. Why is this channel so much different than all the other gun channels? Well, all the other gun channels are all the same. There are specific ones that I like to watch that are informative, and they just don't show you a widget. They're not in a desert somewhere showing you how they shoot or that kind of scenario. Um, And this is the reason why. I think the U.S. Constitution is a very unique document because it protects us from psychopaths, sociopaths, narcissistic personalities. This is something that you need to be aware of on how to protect yourself from these predators of humans. Okay, um, so so how does that relate to self-defense? Well, what you need to realize is that you need to understand self-defense law and how it works in your state because of a very specific reasons. Psychopaths, sociopaths, learned sociopath behavior, and narcissists are something that is predominant, and you're going to get a higher percentage of them when you go through the system. Okay. In the top, there are specific jobs that psychopaths, sociopaths, narcissistic personalities go for, and that is positions of power. In the top 10 of positions of power are politicians, lawyers, public servants like police, fire, the Bureau of Land Management, IRS. So when you are in a self-defense scenario, and you are being processed through all these levels, this is something that you need to take a look at. If you listen to a lot of my videos, I like perception. You need to market yourself like you're a good, upstanding citizen. You're not out there to be in a use of force event. That is hopefully what you are going to be learning from my channel. Now let's go through the first one. Depending on the what book you read. Okay, let me get this out. Depending on what book you read, there are going to be psychopaths. It's going to be from 1 to 200 or 1 in 20 people out there that you're going to be coming across are going to be psychopaths. Okay. This is something that interests me a lot. Okay. I am pro police. They do a wonderful job. If you dial 911 and you're in trouble, they're going to do anything that they can to come in and help you. It could be for selfish reasons. It could be for that adrenaline rush, whatever. That San Bernardino Sheriff's officer who said during the San Bernardino event, believe me, I'll take a bullet before you do. There are a bunch of policemen out there. But what you have to realize is that since psychopaths like to be in a position of power, there are going to be a higher number of them on a police force than there are going to be in society. So you're just going to be coming across to these people more often. So you need to protect yourself in that fashion. Next, we go up to the next level. Lawyers. You're going to have a higher proportionality than the general public of people who wanting to go through the district attorney's office. So you're going to have that personality type. Okay. Judges, same thing. Politicians make these laws and rules out of their own narcissistic thought processes. So that is why you need to know the law, not get caught in the law. There is a great book. This is a great book right here, Arrest Proof Yourself by Dale Carson. It is a very specific in why you do not want to get your toes nipping at you getting into the machine that is called the legal system, because it's It's quicksand. Once you're in, it's tough to get out. Okay. You need to protect yourself. Learn the laws in your state. The one thing I want to say is, again, I'm for the police. I have no problem with this. This book is also very interesting right here, because society, and we're talking about CEOs and going up the corporate ladder. Society has recognized certain personality traits of a psychopath, sociopath, narcissistic personality as good. So what they're trying to do is they're trying to pick those people out that have those personality types and bring them up the ladder. And what happens is that if you are a normal human that doesn't have these tendencies, you're going to be seeing what makes success and then turn into a predator. You're just going to do that. There was one police force in Northern California, I think it was Pine City, don't nail me on that. They had 30 some odd officers, and a third of them were arrested for illegal activities. They were pulling undocumented immigrants, illegal aliens, out of cars and basically stealing their car, giving it to a tow company who sells it later and gives them money. Okay, that was rampant in that police department. The narcissistic personalities from the police chief on down to 1/3 of their police department was doing this. Okay, this is a learned behavior. So if you have more of those psychopaths, those narcissistic personalities that are working in concert, it will fail eventually because these guys are loners and they attack each other. That is what you're protecting yourself. So when you do go through the legal process, like what this book does, you're going to be dealing with these personalities, and you need to protect yourself. You need to have the best light possible, and you need, again, to not get caught in the machine that is our legal system. My name is Caden. This is Castle Tools, your home defense network. I hope this helped.